So let's just see how we can download and install Node into our computer. So we have to go to the official site nodejs.org. Now from here we can download the latest long-term support version for Windows or any other operating system. So once the installation is completed, then we have to check whether Node is installed properly or not. In the command prompt we can write the command node -- version, and if the version shows properly, that means Node is installed correctly on our computer. Now here inside our command prompt we can execute the JavaScript. So we have to write node, and this will open the Node console. From here we can execute our JavaScript directly in our computer. So previously only we can execute the JavaScript inside of a browser, like here in the Chrome. Here only we can use the console log to execute any kind of JavaScript, but now because we have installed Node in our computer, so we can directly execute our JavaScript right from inside the console. We can write console log welcome to Node, and we can just execute that, so we have the output. So we have done with the installation of Node.js in our computer. Now we need one code editor. So in this series we are going to use VS Code editor. So to download the VS Code editor, we have to go to the official site code.visualstudio.com. From here we can install the latest version of VS Code for the preferred operating system. So once the installation is done, then we have to open the VS Code editor. So let's now create one file, demo.js. So this is one JavaScript file. So we're gonna write our first sample JavaScript code, console log welcome to Node, and now to execute that, either we can open the terminal from here, or we can use the shortcut, the control and backtick. Now here we can run this JavaScript file. So we have to write node and then the name of the file, which is demo, and here we have the output. And also we can directly execute that from this play button here. So for this we have to install one extension, and that is called Code Runner. So we can install this Code Runner extension. So this is very useful. It can run a lot of programming languages. So we can directly run this from this button. So we can click on that and it will directly show the output of this code. So that is very handy. You can install this from this extension. So this is the way we can install Node.js, and also we can use the VS Code editor. So that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.